So when you are creating a website, you have to make sure that it is mobile friendly, because Google is going to penalize your website if it's not mobile friendly. And in order to test if your site is mobile friendly, you can just enter in that URL here. So I'm just going to take that URL and I'm going to do analyze and see if Bootstrap's site comes back mobile friendly. And hopefully it does, because Bootstrap is a mobile friendly responsive design framework. So we're going to be using this as well to build out some of our web projects. So it is mobile first, and it does come back mobile friendly, and it gives you a screenshot there of what it looks like. It gives you some, and if you do come up with some issues, you can see that they will provide feedback here and what you need to do to fix your site to be more mobile friendly. So again, when you are designing, it's better to design using a mobile first type methodology, that you're thinking about the website, how it's going to look on a mobile device first, and then build out from there. So adding in additional styling, images, and content as you need to. Just make sure that, again, it's going to look it's going to look good and proper on a mobile site. So we also do have a PDF here from Google that tells you how to get 5 steps to mobile friendly sites. So it's got some links to some resources here. Make sure that here's a tool to make sure Google is crawling your site correctly. Mobile friendly test, so that was the one that I believe we did there. Also integrate mobile, so useful for make sure that's useful for mobile clients. So again, if you've got calls to action, make sure that it is prevalent on a mobile site. So if you've got some kind of call to action, company logos, basic information, make sure that it is coming out on the mobile screen. And this is the smallest screen, so 480, so on an iPhone. So make sure that you do get all of that information on that original screen, and that they don't have to readily scroll down, because this will also affect your bounce rates. So you don't want to have users coming to your website and bouncing from the site if they don't really understand what it's about, or if there's a lot of download. So again, this comes out to speed. Speed is important. They have another link out here to check your page speed, your load speed. So that's another important thing for mobile, to make sure that your pages are loading quickly and that you're not overloading the content, overwhelming the content, and that your page isn't cluttered, your images and everything resizes properly to be mobile friendly. So definitely keep that in mind, even before you start developing out the website, how it's going to look on mobile, and what are the important factors of the website that you want to convey even on a small screen for mobile. And this will save you headaches later on. Downsizing a screen is a lot harder than upsizing it. So if you start with a big screen and then bring it down to a smaller size, is going to be a lot harder. So this is definitely a lot easier starting with a mobile design first.